Mr. Kalokhe, Mr. Srivastav, Board of Directors of QCFI, all the chapters of QCFI, delegates of 7th National Conclave on 5S. Let me first congratulate QCFI for coming so far in implementation of 5S in India. QCFI has made it possible to make 5S so popular and a necessity amongst so many organizations in India. But at the same time, many organizations who have implemented 5S half-heartedly without asking basic questions like why it is required, what are the benefits likely to be achieved, how it will be implemented, who will be involved in implementing. When these questions are not addressed, such organizations end up going back to square one within a few months. Well, let me tell you my experience when I was Divisional Railway Manager of Guntakal Division. We came up with a typical problem of records not being available or traceable in time during a grievance meeting with staff. With this objective and additional objectives like to save time in searching records, to save space in the workplace, to keep workplace neat and clean, to improve the aesthetic appearance, we started implementation of 5S. Since I had already implemented 5S in my earlier organization, Rail Coach Factory Kapurthala, I had known this process. So we engaged QCFI for guiding us through this process. So in the beginning, we took almost 3,000 photographs. We trained all the staff, their wives, their children to know what 5S is. We started involving families to come to office to see how the employees are working and how they are keeping their records. The monitoring was carried out every week with 3 minutes presentation from all head of departments. Cross-functional audits were also organized to find out the real picture, and the end result was very good. Can you imagine? We were able to throw 70 tons of old records. That is almost 10 truckloads. And as a result, we were able to save 30% of our space. Earlier, staff was asking for additional almirahs, additional space. Now they are saying we can spare these almirahs to other departments. And the best thing, we were able to retrieve any record within 30 seconds. And that was the best thing. That is the benchmark we have set for all other Indian Railway offices. And it has set a spark for all other Indian Railway workshops and offices to implement 5S at those places. Well, I must thank Mr. Srivastav and Mr. Rao, who were continuously with us during our 6-month program of 5S at Guntakal and at other places. Thank you. Thanks a lot.